Gutter clearing and the cleaning of fascias, soffits and the external gutters has always been a great lucrative add-on service for domestic window cleaners. Ionic systems supply a range of Vortex gutter clearing machines. The premium Vortex can reach up to 40 feet, utilising a wet and dry vacuum that features a powerful 3,600 watt triple motor. These units are fantastic for making light work of emptying industrial and domestic gutters with even heavy build-up. In this video, we're going to show you the features and the benefits of the entry-level model, the Vortex Piccolo. The Piccolo is a great entry-level machine. It's capable of emptying gutters up to about 10.5 metres or 34 feet from the safety of the ground. The system consists of slot-together rigid carbon fibre tubes that attach to a 38mm flexi pickup hose. And at the business end of the pole, you have two different flexi neck tool holders at 135 degrees and 180 degrees. The pole kit consists of a daily end tool and a steel dirt breaker for breaking up silt and tufts of grass to a manageable size before being sucked out of the gutter. The kit also comes with a crevice end tool like this one to get into gutters with overhanging tiles and box corners, and a commercial floor toolkit for use as a wet floor pickup. The tubes and all the tools fit neatly into a specially designed carry bag. Let's see the Piccolo in action. From the video, you can see the Piccolo has great suction for a 1600 watt motor, and it's lightweight and compact, so it doesn't take up too much space in your van. You also have the option of attaching the hose to make the Piccolo a blower, and this can be used to blow out block pipes or to clear leaves. For those looking to offer annual gutter clearing on domestic properties, the Piccolo will really get the job done. Check out ionicsystems.com for further details on the whole Vortex range. And don't forget, we also provide products for cleaning gutters, such as the constant flow foaming system, also available on our website. Thanks for watching.